And little faces.
This is where you work out, huh?
This is where you were last time? Oh, I worked out here, and there's another one in here. There's two of them. That's like for like the exercise bikes, and then that one's for the machine.
Please leave dirty towels. Okay. Okay. The stretch area. What's that? Hey, rest. Okay. Me sit down, me. Yeah. That's where we live. Yeah, di ba? Di tayo nag-ano? Smoothies. This is their small. Wow. Hello. Small store. Don. They selling a pizza also. Yeah, pizza. Oh, saan? Scotty Beans Coffee. Boil. Thank you. Oh, sana. Oh, we can do barbecue if you want. Yeah.
Doon siguro ang ano.
Are you okay?
Yeah, doon sa...
How do you like your camera?
It's in the other casino, but do you want to...
Okay, let's go to the other casino. Okay. Oh, they want to buy something.